Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy Jetblue points. Now I just want to start this video by saying I have actually included a link to the page that I'm on at the top of the description. So if you are looking to buy some points, head over to that link and that will bring you straight to this page and it will save you having to look for this page. So Jetblue points can be used for a number of things. However, the most popular thing they're used for is probably booking flights. However, you may be a few points short of being able to redeem for a flight. So you may want to buy just a few points, say 1,000, in order to actually get enough for you to use. So what you have to do in order to buy them is head over to this website. And as I've already said, you can check the link at the top of the description if you want to be brought straight to this page. And what you have to do from there is first log in. But then once you have done that, we are ready to buy our points. So what we will need to do is go down to here where it says how many points do you want to buy. And we just want to click this drop down and here's where we can see all of the points. So the minimum you can get is 1,000 points and that will cost you just $30. And the most you can get is 100,000 points and they also give you 50,000 bonus points with that as well. And that costs $2,338. So really there's a range of points and you can basically get as many as you need because there's tons of different options. It goes up in 500 point increments. So we have a lot of options on what we can buy. And we can also receive bonuses depending on certain point milestones that we buy at. So let's just say I wanted to buy 1,000 points. I'd click 1,000 points and then I can just scroll down to this page and then here's where we enter our payment details. And from there we can just fill out all our billing details. And then once we're happy with that, we can go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions after we've read it. We want to just look over our order summary and make sure it's all good. And then we can pay now and those points we bought will be instantly added to our Jetblue TrueBlue account. So that's exactly how you can buy Jetblue points. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.